Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into an often misunderstood beverage that can play an important role in your health and wellness journey: carbonated water. You might know it by various names such as sparkling water, seltzer water, or fizzy water. Let's explore why you should consider drinking carbonated water and how it can benefit your overall health. So come on and join us as we discuss the benefits of having this refreshing beverage. Carbonated water and its production. Carbonated water is water that has been infused with carbon dioxide gas under pressure, resulting in bubbles and a fizzy texture. This process can occur naturally in certain springs or can be artificially induced. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it forms carbonic acid, which gives carbonated water a slightly tangy or sour taste. Historical use. The enjoyment of naturally carbonated water dates back to ancient times when people would seek out mineral springs known for their health benefits. These springs were believed to offer healing properties for various ailments. Today, we continue this tradition with bottled or canned carbonated water from natural sources or artificially carbonated tap water. Taste. Carbonated water has a crisp, refreshing taste that many people find enjoyable, particularly when compared to flat water. It can offer a pleasant alternative to sugary beverages and can be consumed plain or flavored with natural ingredients such as fruit or herbs. Natural sources. Natural sources of carbonated water include mineral springs, where carbon dioxide is naturally present in the water due to underground geological processes. Brands that source their water from natural springs often contain a range of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and sodium, which can offer additional health benefits. Calories. One of the key benefits of carbonated water is that it is typically calorie-free, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight or reduce their caloric intake. Glucose and insulin effects. Since carbonated water is free of sugars and carbohydrates, it does not have any impact on glucose or insulin levels. This makes it a safe beverage choice for individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their blood sugar levels. Side effects. While carbonated water is generally safe for most people, it can cause some minor side effects in certain individuals. These may include bloating, gas, and belching due to the release of carbon dioxide. In some cases, excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort. Acidity. Carbonated water is slightly acidic due to the presence of carbonic acid. While this acidity is generally low and not harmful to most people, those with conditions like acid reflux may want to monitor their intake to avoid exacerbating symptoms. Hydration. Carbonated water can be just as hydrating as still water. It provides the same level of hydration and can be a more enjoyable option for those who find plain water unappealing. So let's get into the carbonated water benefits. In addition to hydration, carbonated water offers several health benefits like aids digestion. The bubbles in carbonated water can help promote digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and aiding in the movement of food through the digestive tract. May relieve constipation. Carbonated water has been shown to improve bowel movement frequency and ease constipation in some individuals. Helps with satiety. The fizz and volume of carbonated water can promote feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Dental safe. Carbonated water is not acidic enough to erode tooth enamel, making it a safe alternative to sugary sodas for those looking to improve their dental health. Non-alcoholic refreshing option. Carbonated water is a great non-alcoholic alternative for those looking for a refreshing beverage. It can be mixed with natural flavorings such as fruit, herbs, or even a splash of fruit juice for added variety. Safety. Overall, carbonated water is a safe beverage choice for most individuals when consumed in moderation. If you have a pre-existing health condition such as acid reflux, you may want to monitor your intake and speak with a healthcare professional if you experience any discomfort. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, carbonated water, often referred to as sparkling or seltzer water, can be a valuable addition to your health and wellness journey. Let's summarize the key points discussed in the video. Carbonated water and its production. Carbonated water is made by infusing water with carbon dioxide gas, creating bubbles and a fizzy texture. This can occur naturally in certain mineral springs or be artificially produced. Historical use. Historically, people have sought out natural sources of carbonated water from springs known for their healing properties. Today we continue this tradition with bottled carbonated water from natural sources. Taste. Carbonated water has a crisp, refreshing taste that many people enjoy. It can serve as a pleasant alternative to sugary beverages and be consumed plain or flavored with natural ingredients. Natural sources. Natural sources of carbonated water include mineral springs. These waters may contain beneficial minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and sodium. Calories. Carbonated water is typically calorie-free, making it a great option for those managing their weight or reducing their caloric intake. Glucose and insulin effects. Since carbonated water contains no sugars or carbohydrates, it does not impact glucose or insulin levels, making it a safe beverage choice for individuals with diabetes or those monitoring their blood sugar. Side effects. While carbonated water is generally safe, it may cause minor side effects such as bloating and gas in some individuals. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort. Acidity. Carbonated water is slightly acidic due to the presence of carbonic acid. This low level of acidity is generally not harmful, but individuals with acid reflux may want to monitor their intake. Hydration. Carbonated water provides the same level of hydration as still water and can be a more enjoyable option for those who find plain water unappealing. Carbonated water benefits. Carbonated water offers several health benefits. Aids digestion. It can help promote digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and aiding the movement of food through the digestive tract. May relieve constipation. Carbonated water can improve bowel movement frequency and ease constipation in some individuals. Helps with satiety. The fizz and volume of carbonated water can promote feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. Dental benefits. Carbonated water is not acidic enough to erode tooth enamel, making it a safe alternative to sugary sodas. It is a non-alcoholic refreshing option. Carbonated water serves as a great non-alcoholic alternative for those seeking a refreshing beverage. It can be mixed with natural flavorings such as fruit or herbs. Mix it with fresh lemon juice for improved taste and sensation. It feels like you are having a lemon soda. What about its safety? Overall, carbonated water is a safe beverage choice for most people when consumed in moderation. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, particularly acid reflux, monitor your intake and speak with a healthcare professional if you experience any discomfort. So carbonated water is a versatile and refreshing beverage that can provide hydration and various health benefits. It offers a non-alcoholic option for those looking for a crisp and enjoyable drink without added sugars or calories. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.